Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. We have covered this important part related to the maintenance. The different strategies we have explained or we have discussed in detail like breakdown maintenance, preventive maintenance and condition based maintenance. Now the important point or you can say the interesting point of this syllabus is this that the definitions or you can say that the terminologies which we have studied earlier that we are using for the electrical equipment like transformer, induction motor and alternator. So this is our today's topic of interest. So we will start with the first topic that is called as the planned and preventive maintenance of a transformer. Now before starting this topic, let me give some information related to the transformer. So many of you have studied the basic of electrical engineering and might be from in your diploma also you have studied the concept of the transformer. The transformer is a static device, so which converts, you can say that one amount of voltage into another amount of voltage. So let's consider if we are interested for the step-up transformer, then we are providing the voltage at primary end, and by with the help of number of turns deviation, we get the number of secondary turns, and because of that we will get the voltage in the secondary. So that is the purpose of the transformer, to convert the voltage level from low voltage to high voltage or high voltage to low voltage. There is a one also the transformer is available that is called as a isolation transformer. It means that the number of primary turns and the number of secondary turns are same. Now you are thinking that what is the purpose of this kind of transformer. So one can say that this transformer, the isolation transformer, is used inside the radio industries or in the radio stations. They are using for the purpose of noise cancellation. So that is a function of isolation transformer. Yes. So we will take the today's topic. So that is called as a maintenance of a transformer. So we are interested for planned and preventive maintenance of a transformer. A power transformer is a most costly and essential equipment of the electrical transformer. So the category of the power transformer, you can say that transformer are divided into two categories typically. So the one is a distribution transformer and one is a, you can say, the power transformer. So for getting the high performance and low functional life of the transformer, it is desired to perform the various maintenance activities. Not only that, a power transformer also requires a various maintenance action including. So these actions are measurement and testing of different parameters of the transformer. So this is nothing but the kind of maintenance. We are diagnosing, we are regularly checking the parameters value, and there are mainly two types of maintenance of a transformer. We perform, one group is in the routine basis and second group is when required. So that is called as a maintenance of a transformer. Now some other type of maintenance of a transformer we perform as when they are required. So but if one performs regular maintenance properly, he may not have any provision of performing the emergency maintenance. So it means what? If we are maintaining the transformer for periodically or for some specific time, then we don't need to perform the emergency maintenance. So there is a less chances of getting failure of that particular transformer. The regular checking and maintenance of a transformer is also known as condition maintenance. Hence, by proper condition maintenance, one can avoid emergency and breakdown maintenance. That is why one technical personnel should mainly concentrate on condition maintenance. So this is the requirement of doing the maintenance of a transformer. As 100% condition maintenance causes 0% breakdown of an equipment. So this is true in all cases. So if you are performing 100% condition maintenance, so there is a less chances, or you can say almost 0% chances are there which can go under the breakdown or which can go under the failure. Now there are some many different maintenance actions to be performed on the power transformer. Some of them in yearly basis, some of them are monthly basis, some of them are quarterly, and some of them are half yearly basis. So this is the time frame to do the maintenance. These are mainly the transformer maintenance action which is to be performed in 3 to 4 years interval. So this is related to the maintenance of. Now we will discuss the assessment plan, or you can say the maintenance plan for the transformer. The transformers are low maintenance but not free of maintenance. So we can say that there are no rotating parts, or all the parts are stationary. So the maintenance carried out for the transformer is very less, but we cannot make it zero. To determine the maintenance need of our transformer, maintenance partners offers an assessment that consists of visual inspections, oil sampling, thermography, and electrical measurements. So these are the maintenance of plan. The assessment is the foundation for a maintenance plan in which the condition and the priority of each transformer are decisive for the maintenance frequency and the needs. Now the preventive maintenance we have to take care for the transformer. For a safe and reliable operations of the transformer, the preventive maintenance is a must. This detects the problem at an early stage and can prevent further deterioration. The preventive maintenance includes the following test, that is oil sampling analysis, or you can say oil quality check, the PCB furan detection and moist level. The second preventive maintenance, that is electrical measurement for the insulation resistance, winding resistance, transformer turns ratio, SFRA, that is sweep frequency response analysis. In addition, all accessories and protections are checked, that is detection, gas, pressure, temperature, Bacall's thermometer and fans, and silica gel is replaced. So this is called as the maintenance which we are doing as a preventive maintenance for the transformer. I hope you understood the maintenance of a transformer. In the next class, we will discuss the maintenance of an induction motor. So this we are taking in our water pump induction motor, and in our house also we are using this induction motor, single phase induction motor, and for the industry purpose we are using the 3-phase induction motor. So in the next class we will discuss the induction motor maintenance. Thank you. God bless you all.